Hi, this video is going to cover our blind cycle count. Go into the warehouse that you want to perform the count for. Go over into the menu, click on cycle counts. Make sure if you do have any previous open cycle counts, you want to get those finalized and closed out. Once that's done, you can go over into the menu to begin a cycle count. Once you're on this page, you can go over into the menu if you need to adjust the cycle count name or add any notes. So as it instructs on this page, you're going to select the bins where you'd like to do the product count. So you can go ahead in this drop down, select the bins that you want to perform the count. We'll go ahead and just pick a few bins. Go ahead and start the blind count. Proceed. Now on this page, you can perform the count by using a scanner, or you can manually enter in the UPC or model number. We have a few products listed here. We're going to manually enter in the number. It'll pull open the product details. If you do have an image, that'll be shown. You can see here, this is a bulk product. We'll go ahead and click the edit pencil. We'll go ahead and put in our count that we have in front of us. Go ahead and save. Moving on to the next item. We'll go ahead and scan that one as well. And this one's a cereal product, so it will prompt to scan the cereal. And since this is a cereal product, it'll only allow you to count one. So we'll go ahead and leave this as 1. And then for our final product in that bin, we'll go ahead and scan that one. Here's the UPC. Again, this one's for a bulk item. We'll go ahead and hit the pencil to edit. And we'll go ahead and do the count of what we have on hand, which is 26. And then we'll go ahead and save. So now that all our accounts are in, you'll just want to verify everything is accurate. Go ahead and click on Reconcile. Proceed. So once you're on this page, you can edit the product from the table. It'll show you any variances. So anytime you do have a variance, you'll want to maybe go and research what the issue is of why there's a variance. So a few things that can lead to variance discrepancies. If there's perhaps a product that you forgot to check off, if you're utilizing inventory, you'll want to go back through on your work order, mark that off as installed to clear up anything that may be committed or showing, on the variances of why they're incorrect. If you have maybe accidentally stock that you forgot to scan into inventory, you'll want to receive that in through a purchase order. And if maybe there's extra product that needs to be returned back to a supplier that you've located, you can do so by utilizing our inventory from the main menu and going to returns. So a few scenarios, each one's a little bit different. You will have to investigate of why you do have those variances or why there's items that are committed. And those by each product row can be clicked, and that'll show you which project that they're tied to, work order, if it's on a return or a transfer. So each is clickable to investigate why they are committed. So in this case, we do have variances 0 for all of them. We'll go ahead and proceed to finalize. On this last page here, as it says, you can select the products below that you want to make the adjustment for. You can click Save to just close the count. So if anything is wrong, what's nice is you can save and just go back and not make any adjustments. So the adjustments that you do want, you can click on the row and then go ahead and save. So if you do have stuff that is committed, it will prompt that it cannot be adjusted. So any issues that you may have with committed products, you cannot count those out because it is tied up for a job. So we'll go ahead and just make the one adjustment here that we're allowed to do with a quantity variance of 0. So we'll go ahead and save. This will also prompt again, are you sure you want to save the adjustments? So at any point, if there is something that you accidentally forgot to do or a note, you can go through here and click the note to make any adjustments there. Or if something's completely wrong or you want to make any adjustments, you can now go back to the reconcile page to fix anything that may be off or incorrect. So if everything again is accurate, we'll go ahead and finalize. We'll go ahead and make this one adjustment and save. Save and close count. And now you have your final record here of everything that was adjusted per this blind count. So anything that wasn't adjusted, you can go investigate. You can sort the column here. It'll give you everything here. If you did have multiple items that were not adjusted, you can sort the column to find all this. And then you can actually go here up here to print it, PDF it, so you can carry on that investigation further for anything that does need to be adjusted. That's going to cover our blind cycle counts. Thanks for watching.